Welcome to Smart Complaint Management System SCMS. Let's suppose you got electricity fluctuation in kitchen, or broken chair complaint at your office, commode water leakage in washroom, or woodwork complaint at hospital. Just call Complaint Center. Our Smart CMS will register instant complaint in 30 seconds. Professional skill man assigned after launching complaint. Team of professional skill men visits premises for resolution and time tracked on Smart CMS. Smart CMS keeps complete track of before situation of complaints. It also calculates in progress time for later use in reporting. Once complaint done, Smart CMS saves all activity for customer and administration. In case of store request, a storeman has requested area for required items from warehouse. Store smartly records item usage activity. Smart CMS sends notifications via SMS to customer and skillman as per process. Smart CMS records all productivity measures for evaluation of skillman like attendance, complaints, time spent and update profile in real time. It also records house and building complaints reports and nature of complaints report with monthly consumption of items. Area-wise, complaint report is automatically generated on every complaint, along with zone-level reporting. Every complaint have update and inbox system for communication between staff and a feedback system with rating of complaint. It's smart enough to averagely rate complete skillman sector, area, and zone with provided rating. Due to Smart CMS, area managers' time and team management is very fast with high productivity. Welcome on board to innovative, fast, and secure solution. An interconnected complete solution with real-time reporting. A product of Eziline Software House Private Limited.